Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all to this course called Figma Basic to Advanced Topic course. So basically in this course I will be helping you to learn what is Figma, how it is used in different type of industries, then how to create the Figma profile, how to set up the profile, then how to use different type of tools and the different type of features from basic to advanced stuff. So I will be covering them all in this one course. So let's dive in. So first, what is Figma and how it is used in the industry? Basically, Figma is a tool. It is a designing tool, or in other words, Figma is a cloud-based design and prototyping tool which is used to design the mobile apps, websites, and digital interfaces. Widely used in the tech and creative industries by the UI UX designers to create the wireframes, high fidelity mockups, and full layouts for websites and apps. So basically, Figma is a tool that we will use to design different type of web applications. Now, Figma can be used or utilized in two ways. It can be used as a desktop app or it can be used as a web application, and you can use them both at the same time. So let me show you the difference. So the difference between the desktop and the web Figma apps are, for the desktop app, basically you have to download and install it on your Windows or Mac. It runs faster and is smoother for big projects. It doesn't require any browser tabs, so you can have more focus on your work. You can use more keywords shortcuts without any browser limitations. It supports drag and drop files more easily. But the only cons about is that it still needs internet for most of the features, so it is partially offline use. In case of the web app, it basically works in any browser. So it doesn't require any download or installation files. It is great for quick edit or when you are using someone else's computer. So you can access your work anywhere just by logging in. But the cons of this web app is that you may feel slower with the heavy files. And also some keyword shortcuts may not work due to the browser rules, and also you cannot work offline. So these are the difference for the desktop and the web Figma app. So now I'm going to show you how you can create your Figma profile.